Hey guys, what's up? Lonnie P checking in on the Insanity Fitness Challenge. It's 60 days. Alright, things are going pretty well, you know. I just want to briefly touch on, just not to be redundant about the workouts. It's cardio-plyometric circuit, so there's no need to touch on that. I've already done it twice. I don't need to tell you about it, alright? So, you know, what keeps me going? What keeps you going? That's the question. It's important to establish a ritual, a routine, day by day. And those little triggers will get you in the mindset to immerse yourself in that activity, whatever that may be. In my case, it's fitness, insanity specifically. But, yeah, for example, I like to crank on the tunes when I get down here with these nice speakers I have access to. And that gets me in the mode. Today on tab is the famous Swedish band ABBA, 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 and I'm listening to them. They're getting me pumped up and jacked up for the upcoming workout. You know, because it does start to be a little mundane, you know, especially when we're re-putting workouts. I already know what to expect, you know, the flair factor, the new factor is kind of like, whoa, okay, I already know what this is anyway. So that's my, you know, just make it an obsession, make it a ritual, and just, you know, just do it. That's all you have to do. Just show up and do what you can. That's about it. I don't know what else to tell you. Lonnie B checking in. Sean T is going to take over here pretty soon, and we're going to get after it. Let's go.